Hello guys, it's Paris and I'm the options guy. Welcome back to my channel. So today was an amazing day, a very trending day. I could capture the trends on both sides and today we are happily ending with the highest ever intraday profits since I've started sharing my trades. So I'm just going to go through my trades first of all, ending the day with 1.2% profits on my deployed capital because today I deployed 50,000 rather than today I deployed 51,000 rather than the normal 25,000 rupees. Since I took both Bank Nifty and Nifty trades at the same time, I'm going to go through them in a very short while. So first of all, let's just go through the overview of how today happened, how Nifty performed, how Bank Nifty performed. So in the first half, as expected, Nifty opened with a gap down and we saw a sell off, but we only saw a sell off till 16,560. I was expecting a more brutal sell off till at least 16,520. However, I exited my trades over here once the trailing stop loss hit. I'm going to go through them again in a very short while. But once we got till here, till this swing, we reversed from here, and in the end, we again tried to go up, but then we failed over here. As for Bank Nifty, we opened flat, we went straight up, and then we started coming down. We broke the low, and then we started coming down, and then again in the end, we tried to move up, took resistance near 36,900, and then again we started falling down. That was how Nifty and Bank Nifty performed, but I was expecting a little bit more brutal sell-off than this. I was expecting more fast sell-off than this. So I'm going to go through the analysis of how we can take the markets, what are we expecting tomorrow, and how things are going to go. So first of all, with my trades. So I took 3 trades today. The first trade that I took was when Nifty broke 16,610 in the morning. I took the first trade over here alongside Bank Nifty when it broke 36,630. So when Bank Nifty broke 36,630 and when Nifty broke 16,610, I took these 2 trades and I'm really sorry. I shorted the 16,800 C with a 17,000 C hedge, and I got close to somewhere near 1% profit from the Nifty one, and then I got somewhere near close to uh, let me calculate. Okay, so somewhere near close to 0.8% profit from the Bank Nifty trade. So these were the first 2 trades that I took. Now the second trade that I took was on the bullish side. I shorted the 16,400 put with the 16,200 put with the 16,000 put hedge. When Nifty crossed 16,630 in this candle, I shorted the 16,400 put and it gave me great profits, close to 0.8% again. So ending the day with 1.2% profit, which is amazing. However, if I would have not taken the Bank Nifty trade, this would have been technically this would have been close to 2.4% profit, but let's not get over that. Ending the day with 1.2% profit. Very happy with how I performed today. And what about tomorrow? How is tomorrow going to play out? Are we going to again go down? Are we going to go up? Are the bulls gonna come back into action? What is going to happen? So first of all, let me get a very straight point let me get a very straight point of the table. See, we've been continuously defending our the previous day's low. I'm really sorry. We've been continuously defending the previous day's low. What that means is that each successive day is not crossing the previous day's low. So if you see over here, this day's low did not cross this day's low, did not cross this day's low. Again, this day the low was not breached of the previous day. Again, this day low was not breached. This day low was about to be breached, but then buying came in, so technically not breached. This day low was not breached, but today we breached the previous day's low, but there wasn't a lot of selling in the market. You gotta understand that whenever these things like these change, there should be a good selling, because if there is not a good selling, that means the sellers are still not interested in Nifty. Sellers are still not interested in selling Nifty. That means a very that means it's a bullish sign that the sellers are still not interested. You might see that we came down, but the thing is that we shouldn't have even gone up in the first place. This up move shouldn't have happened. But since this up move happened, that means the sellers are still not interested in taking the market down. The sellers still feel like, okay, we are not in the control. Let the bulls take over. Let the bulls do whatever they want to. As for Bank Nifty, again, same, we were not breaking the previous day's low, but we broke the previous day. We did not break the previous day's low again. And Bank Nifty seems more bullish than Nifty over here. But you got to keep in mind there is 37,000 on the upside. There's 37,134, which is the start of a gap. So you got to take care of those things too when you're planning your trade. However, Bank Nifty again seems a little bit more bullish than Nifty. More bullish than Nifty was, because if you see, Nifty fell greatly in the end, right? Nifty fell good in the end, but Bank Nifty did not fell that much if you see in the end. Okay, so what can we do tomorrow? How can we take our trades? So see, the simple thing is either we start going up from here, because see, it's already a bullish sign, so the bulls will may very well take over the market from here, right? So as soon as we cross 16,680, we take a bullish trade over here. Either you sell a put option or you buy a call option. You do one of those things, and the target could be, first target could be near 16,740 or this trend line anywhere, but this trend line will be too close, so just keep your target as 16,740. That could be your first target. On the downside, if we go below 16,560, just aggressively sell till 16,480. This could be this momentum will be very fast, because see, the bulls had a chance and they took that chance. Now they won't get again a chance. Now the sellers will know, okay, we breached once, now we are breaching twice, so now the sellers will be more active. So as soon as we go below 16,560, 16,560, 565 levels, you can take an aggressive bearish position till 16,485, 16,490, 485. That should be your first target. And then what could happen is that we take some sort of support over here, and if we breach this support, there is a very big gap to be filled till 16,360, which could give you a very good target. But that is something that may not happen tomorrow. Let's see how things go. But as I said, if first target should be 16,490. If we breach the low of 16,565, okay, if we breach the low of 16,565, 490 is the first target, then you exit your position. That's what I'm going to do tomorrow. And once we break 16,485, the next target could be 16,360. What if we open with a gap down? Again, if we open with a gap down, I'm pretty much bearish again, and we can say we open somewhere near 16,500. Okay, that's a 100-point gap down. It's a big gap down. Again, as soon as we breach 16,480, once we sustain below it, you guys can again take a bearish position till 16,360. That's for Nifty. On the upside, if we open with a big gap up, say somewhere near 16,700, once we open somewhere near 16,700 or even above, let Nifty cross 16,740 levels. Once we cross 16,740, you guys can initiate a trade till 16,800, 790. It will give you a good 60-50 points, which is good. If you open even above that, just ignore Nifty for now. Let it cross 16,800. Let it sustain and make some sort of price action above 16,800, and then take some sort of bullish position. Do not just enter into Nifty as soon as it crosses 16,800. Let the market tell you where it is going, and then act accordingly. As for Bank Nifty, say Bank Nifty is more bullish. So once we cross today's high of 37,000, you guys can take a trade once we cross 36,890 till 37,000. That's a 100-point move, which is good. But again, say if you open above this, say at 36,900 or 36,922, somewhere over here, right? And the first momentum is pretty quick, right? And you could not catch it. So don't worry. Once we go above 37,000, again take a bullish position till 37,130 levels, because see, there is a gap pending over here. I'm going to show you guys going back. It's kind of a very far away gap, but there is a gap pending over here that needs to be filled. So do not so only go till 37,130 and close your position. Once we cross 37,130, again after taking a retest, you guys can initiate a fresh position till 37,260. So those are your trades on the upside. As for the downside, what can we see? As for the downside, once we cross this low of 36,470, you can initiate a trade till 36,000 300 350 levels. I'd recommend just going for 350. So once we cross this low of 460, you guys can initiate a trade till 36,350. That's a good 100 points and you'll easily get it. And I don't think even if we open with a gap down somewhere near 36,500, which is already a big gap down, again, as I said, 36,350 should be your first target, and then just exit your position, let the market decide where it is going. Again, if we open below it, just leave it. Already a lot of momentum has happened, so we'll just leave the trading in Bank Nifty as it is. So yeah guys, that was it for today. I hope you guys got some good idea about how you can trade tomorrow, and thank you for watching till the end.